Hey everyone. So, I recently ordered the Samsung 65-inch U8000F TV from Amazon. Links down below in the description. If you're thinking about buying this one, just use that link. You'll get the best price, coupon discount, and quick delivery. Exactly like I did. Alright, let me tell you, I've been using this TV for over a week now, and honestly, I'm really impressed. The moment I unboxed it, the build quality stood out. The MetalStream design looks so premium. It's ultra slim, clean, and adds that luxury feel to the room. I'm mounted on the wall, and it just blends in perfectly. Looks much more expensive than what I actually paid Now about the picture quality. It's amazing for the price. The crystal processor, 4K, really does its job. Everything looks sharp and smooth. Even 1080p content looks close to native 4K. Colors are rich but not oversaturated like some budget TVs. Skin tones look natural, and black levels are surprisingly good, especially in dim light. I've watched a few movies in HDR, and the detail in shadows and highlights is really impressive. Sound-wise, it's decent. I won't say it's cinematic level, but for daily use, it's loud, clear, and dialogue comes out crisp. I connected a soundbar via HDMI ARC, and it syncs perfectly. The interface is super smooth. All the major apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime, and Disney Plus open instantly. And the best part, it has Alexa built in, so you can just say, "Alexa, play Stranger Things," and it starts. Overall, if you're planning to upgrade your living room TV and don't want to spend too much, this Samsung U8000F is a no-brainer. Picture quality, design, software, all feel premium. Definitely worth it in this range. If you're planning to buy, just check the Amazon link in the description. That's where I got mine, and I got a great deal with fast delivery too. Highly recommended for anyone who wants a big, beautiful 4K TV that looks as good off as it does on.